Hi, I'm George Michael Better. I'm going to present a dish that we call stir-fry squid. Here are the ingredients. 1 piece onion chopped, 3 cloves garlic chopped, 2 piece bell pepper chopped, squid slice, butter. And now, I'm going to show you how to cook the stir-fry squid. Heat the pan, then melt the butter. Then add the garlic. And onion. Wait it for a while. Then add the squid and chopped bell pepper. And mix it and cook it for a few minutes. Add a pinch of salt and pinch of ground pepper. You can serve the stir-fry squid.
Hi guys, I'm Ivo Robles and I'm the last one who will going to present the menu for our group's cooking demo. To show you how to cook a fried calamari, here are the ingredients. Grams of clean squid, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of cornmeal, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Then, vegetable oil for frying, and lastly, the garlic mayonnaise for dressing. Then now, get the mixing bowl to use it for combining all the ingredients. Now, put the flour, cornmeal, the salt and the pepper. After heating the oil for deep frying, drop the calamari to cook just for under a minute until it became brown. Here's my finished product of fried calamari.
Alright.